Study.
Hey kids, we are going to say the alphabets from Yum to Z and its sounds in this video. And we are going to color it using these colors. This is pink, black, blue, red and purple. Shall we start coloring? Yes. We are gonna start with blue. We'll say the alphabets with its sounds. Yes, first Yum. Yum. And the sound for M is M. M says monkey. M says monkey. Next, Yan. This is Yan. Yan says N. N says N. N for nest. N for nest. Next, O. O. O says O. O. O for orange. O for orange. Next, we are gonna use red for the letter P. This is P. This is P. P says P. P says P. P for pen. P for pen. Next, Q. Q. Q says Qua. Qua for queen. Qua. Qua for queen. Next, R. R. R says R. R for rat. R for rat. Next, we are gonna use black for the letter yes. This is yes. Yes. Yes says S. S for stand. S for stand. Next, T. T. T says T. T says T. T for table. T for table. Next, U. U. U says A. A for umbrella. A for umbrella. Next, we're gonna use pink for the letter V. This is V. V says V. V for vegetables. V for vegetables. Next, W. W. W says W. W. W for wolf. W for wolf. Next, X. X. X says X. X says X. X for xylophone. X for xylophone. Next, you're gonna use purple for coloring Y. This is Y. Y. Y says Y. Y. Y for yolk. Y for yolk. Next, Z. This is Z. Z says Z. Z for zipper. Z for zipper. Okay, children, we have seen the letters from Yum to Z and also its sounds in this video. We have colored using these colors. Blue, next red, next black, then pink, and finally purple. Shall we say the letters and its sounds once again? Yum. Yum says M. Yan. Yan says N. O. O says O. P. P says P. Q. Q says Q. R. R says R. S. S says S. T. T says T. U. U says A. V. V says V. W. W says W. X. X says X. Y. Y says Y. Z. Z says Z. Okay, children, we'll see you in next video. Bye bye.